Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today we're going to take a look at a variety of different pixie haircuts. Loving this chic and simple pixie cut. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we see a pixie haircut transformation. So it looks like that client did have more of like a grown out pixie style, and the stylist is just kind of shaping it up, cutting in the hair a little bit shorter. Beautiful, nice cascading back with that particular pixie cut. And then we have a long to short pixie transformation. Classic bowl cut with that particular hair change. Gorgeous. And then we see yet another long to pixie hair transformation. Beautiful, nice, chic pixie with bangs in the front. Gorgeous choppy layers. Then we have another long to pixie hair transformation. Another beautiful classic pixie with the feathered bangs. And then we see a DIY pixie haircut transformation. Wow, she did an amazing job. And then we once again have another long to pixie hair transformation. So So if you guys felt inspired by any of these pixies within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out this video if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas.